Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all. I'm excited to introduce 33 new IKEA items all at once. So if you see something you like, check it out early. First up, check out that display corner. This standout green display shelf with two small cubes inside that you can position however you want. It's so cute for glasses, accessories, and little trinkets. So as long as you have a wall, it's easy and affordable to install. I think it's going to be super popular. Right next to it is the Mayvin collection. A limited edition released on July 1st, this wall decoration is handmade, bringing natural warmth with striking black lines. So stylish! Since there are lots more in the Mayvin collection, I'll introduce them in future videos. If you're curious, check them out online. Moving on, green again. Here's a green bedspread with slightly thicker piping. So cute. The backside is beige, so it changes the vibe when flipped. Perfect for those with colorful interiors. The fabric is sturdy and doesn't wrinkle easily, which helps avoid that lived-in feel, which I really like. It would also look great as a sofa cover. I haven't seen it in person yet, but it apparently comes in pink too, with a white back. I saw a matching duvet cover styled with the bedspread online, and it looked like a perfect match. With this set, you could literally fill your entire room with green. The duvet cover has the same pattern on both sides, and it's made of cotton and rayon, so it feels smooth and soft to the touch. In the room set, there was a Nicephorus cart with a box that fits perfectly inside. It fits so perfectly. It was surprising. It seems great for organizing small items. The cart also comes in a new, softer emerald green color. And yes, it's green again. There's also a green bathroom set, soap dispenser and toothbrush holder made of glass, and quite substantial. Now for lighting. I'll introduce 3 ceiling lights. The first one has a beige arm with 3 white round shades. The white globes you see here are actually just the shades, and the light bulbs are sold separately. The color combination is stylish, and the 3 arms can be angled as you like. The version on the display had a different angle. I thought, what is this angle? And looked up. Turns out it was a triangular setup. Perfect for modern interiors. Next one is this light, which is actually part of a whole series. The same design is used across floor lamps, desk lamps, and more. The arm stretches out on one side, creating a really stylish asymmetrical look. According to the description, you can easily adjust the wire length to change the height. It would look great over a dining table or in the kitchen as well. The third ceiling light is a lampshade with a bold, unique design. The paper shade offers a soft vibe, and the frame is lighter in color than expected. It's a great way to add a statement piece to a room. I actually came mainly for one item. There was something I had been wanting ever since it launched, and I came to the store specifically to get it. It took about 3 months since its release, but I finally got it. So, what was it? Well, here I am filming in the candle holder section, searching for it as I speak. I was looking for the clear glass version, not the gold or black ones. It's so beautiful. Some people even commented on YouTube, "It's so beautiful." And I really wanted it too. Let's unbox it now. I also picked up some IKEA tea light candles. Most people think of the big 100 pack, but IKEA also sells a smaller 24 pack, which is cheaper overall, though the large pack is better value. But the big packs take up a lot of space, which is why I prefer the smaller ones. These tea light candles burn for about 4 hours, so they go quickly. Check out this candle holder. Its weight and thick glass give it a luxurious, high-end feel. It goes well with any kind of decor, metal, wood, cork, you name it. Although it's a candle holder, I think it works perfectly for storing small items too. I've put in a stick-type aroma oil from Seiji, you know, that wellness brand. Perfect for refreshing your mood by dabbing it directly on your neck. You could also use it to hold pens or stationery items, and it would look super cute with a few pretty lipsticks in it as well. I also found a beige serving tray and stand at IKEA. I'm not sure if they're still available though. Beige sold out almost instantly, and when I checked the website, it looked like even the black one was out of stock. This mini vase from IKEA is also a fairly recent release. It's a smaller version of a super popular vase, and it's absolutely adorable. It's just the right size to use as a pen holder too. The way candlelight flickers through the glass is just beautiful. I have a feeling it'll sell out again soon. So if you're interested, definitely check it out quickly. Back in store, let's talk artificial potted plants. This time, some larger ones. There's a pink artificial potted plant, which is a pretty rare color in real life. And it's so much easier to care for than a real one. It pairs well with a 15 centimeter pot cover, and I'd recommend getting them together. There's also a smaller artificial potted alocasia with very realistic leaf patterns, and a 12 centimeter pot cover fits it just right. In the kids section, I noticed some new toys. It's been a while since we've seen fresh items here. Up front, there was a super affordable wooden domino set. I don't often see wooden toys this cheap, such a great deal. And behind it was this big wooden block game that immediately caught my eye. The package art looked like Minecraft. The blocks are solid wood, so they are quite heavy. It also comes with a die that tells you which color block to pull out, just like a twist on Jenga. Let's dive into a bunch of fun and useful kitchen items. I've got so many to share. First up is a 3-piece chopping board set, and it even comes with a stand. The boards vary in both color and size, so it's great for separating ingredients, for example, using one just for meat. Each board has non-slip corners, and there's a groove to catch any juices. It's also marked as dishwasher safe, which is always a plus. The soft pastel colors are a nice touch too. I actually use a similar set at home, not from IKEA, but a 4-piece indexed plastic set with a stand. This one from IKEA feels quite similar in quality, and I think the stand might even be better because it allows for more airflow. The set I bought was around 7,000 yen, so this one feels like a great deal. There are still more kitchen items to come. Next up is this cute, round item with a bumpy design. Can you guess what it is? It's actually a trivet. Isn't it adorable? IKEA has released quite a few trivets this season, and this one is definitely a standout. There's also a pine wood extendable trivet, adjustable for different pot sizes, featuring red cord accents, and priced at $2.99. So affordable. And there's yet another trivet. This one is made of cork and it's quite large. When I saw it on the official website, I thought, oh, that makes sense. It could totally double as a tray, and it looks so cute used that way. Then there's a new set of colorful cutlery. It's much cheaper than I expected and feels kind of toy-like. Usually it comes as a 24-piece set, but this one has 16 pieces and is still dishwasher safe. I've also been eyeing another set of cutlery with a really beautiful design. It comes as a 24-piece set, so I've been hesitating to buy it because that's quite a lot. They also have a rose gold cutlery set that looks cute with navy dishes. Also spotted this gold 4-piece cheese knife set. It's stylish and fun. Definitely something that makes you want to host a wine night. Next to it is a wooden salad server. Needs oil treatment, as noted. There's also a bright green drawer organizer tray for $1.49, so cheerful even inside drawers. A black version is new too. Before only gray was available. Alright, now let's move on to storage. I found some stylish and practical items that could work well in different rooms. You probably know IKEA's famous KALLAX shelf. There's a new insert that just launched in Japan. A 5-section insert finally available. You can also rotate it 90 degrees to stand vertically. Great for organizing books or paperwork. There's also a new KALLAX box insert. IKEA's boxes are affordably priced and easy to use. Here's something a little unexpected. A new light gray-blue metal cabinet just showed up at IKEA. At first glance, it looks like outdoor furniture, but it's actually made for indoor use. The classic style details give it a retro feel, while the metal finish makes it stand out. Each shelf can hold up to 15 kilograms, so it's sturdy enough to hold something like a coffee machine. Alright, let's move on to some fun little home goods. This classic style vase is a brand new release, and it's really tiny. When it comes to styling artificial greenery, non-transparent vases are actually super useful. With clear ones, you can see there's no water inside, which makes it look obviously fake. Of course, you could just add some water, but what I like about non-transparent vases is that you can bend the stems inside and no one will notice. IKEA released so many cute vases this season. I went over a bunch of them in my previous video, so if you haven't seen that one yet, feel free to check it out. I featured this extension cord in a previous video. This time, I finally saw the yellow version in person for the first time. The yellow gives it an extra playful, toy-like feel. I spotted a super cute floral bath mat. The shape is kind of irregular and wavy, and that's what makes it extra adorable. I think it would look so cute as a little accent in a kid's room too. Speaking of kids' rooms, here's another item I thought would be perfect. This mirror. I thought it'd be tiny because of the price, but it was surprisingly big, and it didn't seem distorted or anything. It comes with adhesive tape for mounting. And here's another mirror. A blue version was released before, but now it's available in pink. The frame has a flat edge, and the shape is just incredibly cute. So if you've been eyeing this one, I recommend grabbing it soon. That's all for today's new item roundup. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you again in my next video.
Catch you on the flip side. Catch you on the flip side. So goodbye.